What's up, subscribers? Welcome back to Business Buzz, where we talk about entrepreneurship, business, and investing. Today we're going to be talking about how you can make $15 an hour on the side with no college degree. At the time of filming, it's summertime, and summertime is the perfect time to make some extra side income. In order to qualify for the great idea we're about to give you, you need to be at least 21 years old and have a license. That's it. Then you can start making some extra side money. So the website and app that I'm going to be talking to you guys about today is Taskrabbit. It has a bunch of paying gigs, from lawn mowing to just general tasks to do for people. And you can earn money from these people paying you for it through Taskrabbit. The beautiful thing about Taskrabbit is that the minimum you'll be making is $15 an hour. And it's really not super difficult stuff that you'll be doing. I mean, one of the tasks that I found on the app is waiting in line. Taskrabbit is rapidly growing, but currently is only in big cities. So if it's about in 50 US cities, so if you live kind of far away from the city, you probably won't be able to earn money from Taskrabbit, but if you live in the city, you probably will be able to use it. The beautiful thing about Taskrabbit is that it's built for the workers. So the people paying to have you complete tasks are the one that will be paying the fees. You collect all the money that they'll be paying you. And any tips that you're also going to get 100% of that. So it's built for the worker, which is great. Some of the things you can do on this app are run errands, assemble furniture, do yard work like mowing lawns. And another great thing about Taskrabbit is that if you're skilled, you can earn even higher wages. Let's say you're really good with mechanics and you can fix cars really well. You can make up to $30 an hour. It's pretty quick to set up an account and get started on Taskrabbit. All that they really do is check your criminal record and get back to you within a few days and let you know whether you can join Taskrabbit, and then from there you can start making money. So that about wraps up this video. And by the way, thank you guys for 100 subscribers that we reached a little bit ago. We appreciate that, and if you'd like to add to that, go down, hit that red button and subscribe. Also make sure to like the video and comment what you'd like to see from us in the future. Anyway, watch some more Business Buzz and see you guys.